Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Hardigan here. As you know, we have been studying the life cycle of the butterfly, and in particular, we've been talking about the first stage of that life cycle, which is the caterpillar. In our last lesson, you'll remember that we learned the three parts of the caterpillar's body, and I hope that you remember what all three of those are. So you'll see that there is the head of the caterpillar, then we have the thorax, and the last one is called the abdomen. Okay, so I'll say all three of those again one more time. The head, the thorax, and the abdomen. Okay, so now we're going to talk today specifically about some of those parts that are a part of the caterpillar, and they all have a different function in how the caterpillar survives. So we're going to talk about all of those pieces here today. So the first one is the eyes. You'll see this is kind of tricky of an arrow here because it's pointing to these little things right here, but the eyes are right there on the front of the head of the caterpillar. The caterpillar has two eyes, just like you and me. No more, no less. Next one is the bristles. This is my favorite part of the caterpillar, personally. I like the bristles because they're these hairy, pointy type things, and they stick up on the top of the caterpillar's body. They're used to protect the caterpillar from being eaten by birds. So if a bird was to put the caterpillar in its mouth, the bristles would be the caterpillar's form of defense. Most birds learn quickly not to eat caterpillars because of the bristles, okay? Then you'll see here is the head, okay? The head, obviously it's a head. Remember, we have the three main body parts here of the caterpillar, and the head is a very important one. Remember, those three body parts are true for all insects, not just caterpillars. The next one is the mouth. Okay, and you will see the mouth is kind of tiny, especially in this picture, and it's important to remember that the mouth is just under the head. So it would be as if if it was on a human, it would be as if our mouths as humans were under, like where our chin is on our neck. So this is important, and you will see how the caterpillar transforms into a butterfly and how the butterfly eats. So it's important to note where the mouth is because you'll need to remember that for when it does become a butterfly. The next body part is the true legs. So there are two sets of legs. You'll see there's legs here, and you'll see there's legs over here too. I'm talking right now about the true legs, which are right here. The true legs are in the front. So you have to remember that the true is in the front. Always put the truth first, okay? They attach to the thorax, and the thorax is after the head. So just remember to yourself, head, thorax, abdomen. So remember that the true legs here attach to the thorax here in the middle between the head and the abdomen. The other set of legs are called the prolegs. The prolegs are behind the true legs, okay? They attach to the abdomen, which is the third body part of an insect, or specifically in our case, the caterpillar. Okay, I am going to attach this PowerPoint, and I'm also going to attach my video here to our Schoology discussion board. So what you will need to do next is you will need to go and do your quiz, and you're going to need to remember all of these body parts. So after you do your quiz, or while you're doing your quiz, it might be helpful to have this diagram on the screen with you to help you. Okay, boys and girls, good luck. I can't wait to see the awesome work that you do. Keep it up.